Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Hey good people, today I am bringing you the latest news of Big Zulu. The rapper Big Zulu has started an initiative called Inhlupheko Siyanqoba, where he buys clothes and groceries for people from poor families. The Imalening hitmaker has helped 2 families so far and said he's looking forward to help more families. He shared the news on YouTube. He told the Daily Sun that his initiative was inspired by Inhlupheko's song featuring Duduzi, which he released on March. He also stated that when he wrote that song, he was looking at situations that black people go through and saw that song alone is not enough, and he decided to help out families that need help because he has a bit to share. He said, people call me and tell me about their problems, or he meets them through people he know. The first person he helped was from Orange Farm. Their shack was burnt and he built them another one and bought them groceries and school uniforms. Next week he's heading to KZN, KwaZulu-Natal. He said the aim is to try to end poverty and he'll do anything he can as long as he still can, and went on saying, I try to do this every month and sometimes it's twice in a month. I'm doing everything by myself, but sometimes splits help because I'm their ambassador. That's why I also give them with shoes from Spitz. Big Zulu wants to motivate and encourage people to help others where they can. Big up for Big Zulu for making change in our country. We are very grateful to have celebrities like him. What do you think about his initiative? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye good people.